When bears fight, incredible bear-on-bear battles caught on camera. Bears are among the most powerful and awe-inspiring creatures in the animal kingdom. Known for their strength, intelligence, and adaptability, these solitary giants typically prefer to avoid direct conflict. However, when bears fight, it's a spectacle of raw power and primal survival instincts. Whether it's over territory, food, or mating rights, bear-on-bear battles are rare yet captivating events that offer a glimpse into the competitive and sometimes brutal lives of these apex predators. This article dives deep into the reasons bears fight, the mechanics of their confrontations, and some of the most incredible bear-on-bear battles ever captured on camera. Why do bears fight? Bears are generally solitary animals, and their territories are vast, often overlapping with others of their species. Despite their solitary nature, bears are highly territorial, and fights can erupt when their paths cross under specific circumstances. One of the most common reasons for bear fights is competition over resources. Bears require a tremendous amount of food to sustain their large bodies, particularly as they prepare for hibernation. If two bears find themselves vying for the same food source, such as a salmon-rich river or a bountiful berry patch, tensions can escalate quickly. Another common cause of bear-on-bear battles is competition for mates. During the mating season, male bears, known as boars, often compete fiercely for the attention of a female, or sow. These fights can be particularly intense, as dominance directly influences reproductive success. Territorial disputes also play a role, especially among male bears. While female bears are generally more tolerant of each other, males are quick to assert dominance and defend their ranges. Lastly, conflicts may occur when a mother bear, fiercely protective of her cubs, perceives another bear as a threat. In these cases, the fights are not about dominance, but about safeguarding her young. The mechanics of a bear fight. Bear fights are displays of sheer power, agility, and endurance. These confrontations often begin with a series of warning signals. Bears may stand on their hind legs to appear larger, roar loudly, or swat the ground with their massive paws. These displays serve as intimidation tactics, and in some cases, they are enough to deter an opponent. When physical conflict becomes inevitable, the bears will charge at each other, using their powerful forelimbs to grapple and claw. Their sharp claws and teeth can inflict severe injuries, and their muscular bodies allow them to throw their opponents off balance. Bears rely heavily on their size and strength during these battles. Larger, more dominant bears often have an advantage, but younger, more agile bears can sometimes outmaneuver their opponents. Fights can last from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the stakes and the endurance of the combatants. Incredible bear fights caught on camera. The grizzly confrontation in Alaska. One of the most iconic bear battles ever filmed occurred in Alaska's Katmai National Park, a haven for grizzly bears during the salmon run. Footage captured two massive males fighting over prime fishing territory. The bears lunged at each other with open jaws, their roars echoing across the river. After a prolonged struggle, one bear emerged victorious, claiming the best fishing spot while the other retreated. Polar bears battling on Arctic ice. In the icy wilderness of the Arctic, polar bears occasionally clash over scarce food resources. A dramatic encounter was caught on camera when two male polar bears fought over a seal carcass. The fight was brutal, with both bears grappling on the slippery ice and exchanging powerful swipes. The larger bear eventually overpowered its rival, securing the prize. Black bears fighting in suburban backyards. Bear-on-bear battles aren't confined to the wilderness. In some suburban areas where black bear populations are thriving, fights have been captured on home security cameras. One such video showed two male black bears fighting over access to a bird feeder. Though less intense than battles in the wild, the encounter demonstrated the boldness and adaptability of these animals. Mother bear defends cubs against male intruder. A heart-stopping moment unfolded in Yellowstone National Park when a mother grizzly defended her cubs against an aggressive male. The male bear, likely seeking to eliminate the cubs to mate with the female, was met with ferocious resistance. The mother's determination and strength forced the male to retreat, showcasing the lengths to which bears will go to protect their young. Strengths and strategies in bear fights. Grizzly bears. Grizzlies rely on their massive size and strength during fights. Their powerful forelimbs and long claws make them formidable opponents. Their aggressive nature often gives them an edge, particularly in territorial disputes. Polar bears. As the largest bear species, polar bears use their size and strength to dominate opponents. Their endurance and thick fur provide protection during prolonged battles, particularly on icy terrain. Black bears. While generally smaller and more agile, black bears are surprisingly fierce when defending territory or food. Their quick movements and ability to climb trees often give them an advantage in avoiding or escaping confrontations. Why bear fights are rare. Despite their strength and ability to inflict serious injuries, bears tend to avoid physical fights unless absolutely necessary. Fights are risky and can result in wounds that hinder a bear's ability to hunt or forage, potentially leading to starvation. This risk often motivates bears to resolve conflicts through displays of dominance or by retreating. When fights do occur, they are usually between evenly matched opponents, where the stakes, food, territory, or mates are exceptionally high. The role of bear fights in ecosystems. Bear fights, while dramatic, play an important role in maintaining balance within ecosystems. These conflicts establish dominance hierarchies, ensuring that the strongest bears have access to the best resources and mating opportunities. This natural selection process helps maintain the genetic health of bear populations. Additionally, these battles can influence other animals in the ecosystem. For example, a bear fight over a carcass might leave scraps for scavengers like foxes, birds, or even smaller bears. Conclusion: bear-on-bear battles are rare glimpses into the raw power and survival instincts of these incredible creatures. Whether it's a grizzly defending its fishing spot, a polar bear battling for a meal, or a mother protecting her cubs, these confrontations highlight the challenges and intensity of life in the wild. While these battles are captivating to watch, they also remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the resilience of these apex predators. As we continue to learn more about bears and their behavior, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in ecosystems and the raw beauty of their lives in the wild. Thank you for joining us to witness the incredible power of bear-on-bear battles. If you enjoyed learning about these thrilling encounters, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wildlife showdowns and fascinating animal stories. Share your thoughts. What surprised you most about these bear battles? Let us know in the comments. And we'll see you next time on Animal Kingdom Showdown.